Greetings. As we continue, we're gonna do just a few questions on geometry, geometry of quadrilaterals. I'm hoping that we've been doing a lot of studying because this topic requires practice, right? So we're gonna look at a given quadrilateral. These are certain questions where you are given shape, quadrilateral to be specific, and then you're given its properties, and then you're required to find unknown angles, right? Unknown angles. So we're gonna look at this. We need to find the unknown angles, the unknown. Sharp. So if you can look at this, you're given a trapezium, AB as parallel to DC. AB, you're given that AB is parallel to DC. Here's AB. AB is parallel to CD, right? So it means that this is going to be parallel to this. And then you have DA, 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 DA. Here's DA. It is equal to DC. So this line here, this line, it is equal to this one. It's shown also in the diagram. So I want you to think of something. I said to you, if ever you are given a property or a condition, our condition here is that AB is parallel to CD. So in conclusion, I should look for alternating angles, co-interior angles, as well as corresponding. The minute they say that I have parallel lines, so AB and then CD, here is the transversal. Here is the transversal. AD is a transversal. If you can see, we have this sort of a diagram. In fact, we have this diagram, this one like this. So we have angle here and then another one here, only if we have parallel lines. So this is the transversal. So you already have alternating angles. We already know that this angle is going to be equal to this angle because of their alternating angles. And be careful, Gretens. Sometimes you guys make mistakes and say that the value of x, say that this angle, it is equal to this one. And that is not true because of AC is not parallel to AB, to BD, sorry. So you cannot say that unless they said that AC was parallel to BD, then you can say X is equal to Y. But if it's not given that, please do not assume. So we continue to our properties. We have, yes, the second given information is that angle, this angle here, this side, CD, here's CD, DA and CD are equal. That is a condition. If you have something like this being equal to this, that this whole thing, it's a condition. You have to conclude that this angle, it is equal to this one. Opposite sides, this is the reason. Opposite sides, here I can just use a text instead of this. Opposite sides, then equal angles. This is the reason you're right. Opposite side equal angles. That is the property here. That is the property for this one. That is the property for this one. If ever you have opposite sides being equal, it means the angles too are equal. So you're gonna have this angle being equal to this one. Because of the sides are equal. And then we are given that also BA and BD, BA, BA and BD, BA and BD, BA, here's BA, then BD. This one, it is equal to this one. So very good. I think you're gonna see that angle, this one, this angle here, it's going to be equal to this one because of the sides are equal. And then after reading out of the given information, then we're gonna start with answering the questions, right? And I assume that from the given information, we saw that we got all the values except for Z. So I'm gonna start with this angle right here. This angle, or I can start with X, right? So I'm gonna say angle X, angle X, X. Okay, let me write it in purple. I'm gonna say angle A, this angle here, it's CAD, 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 CAD. For those who are struggling with labeling triangle angles, this is CAD. This is the angle X plus angles, this one, A, C, D, A, C, D. It's this angle here. And then we have angle C, A, no, it's not C, A, C, D. C, D, C, D, A. So it's these three angles. So these, they must give me 180. Guys, this one, no one should be confused with sum of angles in a triangle. If ever I have a triangle, any triangle, if I add this angle, this one, and this one, they must give me 180. They must give me 180. Also, any triangle, isosceles triangle, right angle triangle, these angles must give me 180 if I add the interior angles. So remember, you write a statement, then after you must give a reason. That is very important, guys. You must give a reason. These are some of angles in triangle. They are supplementary. They are supplementary. So write the reason. Write the reason. Now that we have all angles, but there's a catch here. We know that X, angle X, it is equal to, angle X is this one, it is equal to A, C, D, ACD. This angle here, it is equal to X. Because of, we saw that this whole triangle has two sides that are equal. So you're gonna say to that reason you are writing, the reason you're saying this is because of the condition they gave you. So you're gonna say that opposite sides equal angles. Opposite sides equal angles. That is your reason. That is your reason. Fine. And so now it means that you're gonna look at, we're gonna look at thingy. This. Can I just move here? Fine, I cannot move that. So it means that my value of x, my value of x, I'm gonna have x plus x, right? This x is for CAD, and then this x is for ACD because x also is ACD, then plus 20. It's going to be equal to 180. Bear in mind, I'm saying that I replaced x. I know that CAD, this one, this angle here, it's CAD. It is equal to x because it's given. But I know that this angle here, it's equal to this angle because of the sides are equal. That is why I gave the reason. So instead of writing ACD, I'm going to place another x because they are equal. Then in the place of CDA, there's 20. That is why I wrote the 20. These are equal to 180. I don't need to write the reason because I've already wrote the reason here. So this is going to give me, I'm going to take it here because I cannot go below. So I'm going to have 2x because I added x plus x is equal to 180 minus that 20. So I'm going to have 2x being equal to 160. So I divide by 2 to find the value of x. So x is going to give me 80. That is my final answer. That is my final answer. That is my final answer. So finding the value of x, the value of x.